All right, Math 1, here's the homework help video. It says sometimes instead of finding the value for a function given x value, you will be given the value of the function and asked to find the x. So instead of figuring out what the y is, sometimes you might have to figure out what the x is. Okay, so this is how this works. It says let f of x equal to this right here. Now you're gonna find what is f of x. So we're gonna substitute 15 in the place of f of x. So we're gonna substitute 15 for y. So we got 15 here. Bring down the equal. You have 2x minus the 3. Okay. Do not forget, like we talked about, f of x is the same as saying y. Okay. This is equal to this. They are one and the same. Whatever number is in the parentheses is the value for x. Okay, so if I have something like this, f of 5 is equal to 6. In this example, my x is equal to 5. And since f of x is y, my y is equal to 6. Okay? All right, so here, y is equal to 15. So plug it in for y, or plug it in for f of x. Substitute f of x for 15. Solve for x. Find x. So we're going to add 3 on both sides. This gives us 18. Then I get 2x. To solve this, I'm going to divide both sides. I'm going to isolate the x by dividing both sides by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So x is equal to 9. Okay? G of x is 11. So we're going to replace g of x with 11. So put 11 here. G of x is the same as saying y. Okay? So we're going to substitute and figure out what x is. To get x by itself, we're going to subtract 2 on both sides. 11 minus 2 is going to be 9. Let's see, 9, 10, 11. So this is 9. You got 3x. This is because this is 0 here. You're going to divide both sides by 3. This gives us 3. X here is equal to 3. And that's how you do these, so on and so forth. All right. So here, down at the bottom, this is saying that x is equal to 10. So we're going to use the g of x function because it's g of x. So that function is negative 3x plus 1. So plug in, we already know that x is 10, so now we need to figure out what y is equal to. So we're going to plug in 10. Negative 3 times 10 plus 1. This gives us negative 30 plus 1, which is negative 29. So y is equal to a negative 29. Okay? Let's go down to this one. Here, x is equal to a. We're going to use the h of x function. That's this right here. So we got h of x is equal to 12 divided by x. Replace x with a. So I have 12 divided by a. This is my answer because I don't have a number for a. Okay? All right. And I'm going to see if you can get the other ones right. Remember here, you're finding x. So you have to write the g of x formula. This is equal to y. Okay, so you're solving. You have to figure out what x is. See if you can do that one on your own. It's very similar to what I did up here. All right, y'all. All right, Math 1. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Have a good one. Bye.